Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today. Yes, today in the daily newspaper of Monday, December the 13th, 2021, we have here an additional with 6 extra puzzles. First one is a letter Sudoku, then we have a 2 stars, 3 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and a binary puzzle. And those puzzles I'm not interested, so total of 6 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve. I will solve the 3 stars, the tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary. Half of them. First one I will solve is a 3 stars Sudoku number 3821. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. And the 3 stars a puzzle with 3 stars, I need 20 minutes to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. And 25 printed digits is a kind of indication of the difficulty level, but you cannot always say a 25 printed digits puzzle is more difficult than a 26 or 27 printed digits. It depends. If you have a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then it will take much more time to solve. Alright, so let's get started. 2 missing numbers in the second column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then then 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in this box. Here are 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4, should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7. We see here 2, this big square, so no 2 in this box. Here 2, no 2 in that box, so 1 box left for the 2, should be there. 1 and a 7 are left. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. Alright. 6, 1, 1. Let me think. 3, 9. Yeah. 6. 2, 5. Tough one. 1 and a 7. Yeah. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column. So the column between Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Yeah. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so no row above. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next, so that column, only place left for the 6 should be there. I'm thinking. One. Thinking. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so no row below. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We already have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 2 in that box. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 2. And now I cannot continue with the 2. 1, yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1 in this last column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 7, 8, and a 5. 7, 8, and a 5. Thinking. 8, 8, 8, 8. 5, 9. 8, 5, 9. Yeah. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Well, these 4 missing numbers in this row, one of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 8 in that row. So no row between. Middle row, the only 2 places left for the 8. Could be here, could be there. 8, 5, 7. 7. 7. Yeah. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the only 2 places left for the 3 should be there or there. We have a pair, 1 and a 3. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8. And look, we have a 5 and a 7 here in this row, so no 5 and a 7 in this box. The 5 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and a 5, 1 box left in this big square for number 8. I've marked those 2 boxes with 8. Now we have 8 there, so this box cannot be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 9 and the 5. We already have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. This box should be a 9. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9 is missing. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8. 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers. So 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 1 and a 7. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. 1, 1. We have an 8 in this row, last row. 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 5. We have a 3 and a 5 in this row, so no 3 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. The 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 1 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 box left in the middle row for the number 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 1 and then 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, no 1 goes there. Alright. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we have a pair. 3 and a 4 in this column, 3 and a 4 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3 and a 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7. This box should be a 5. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above, so that row only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 5 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column, so in the first column only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last row, the 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5 and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the third column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. well, we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7, and 8 is missing, 6 and the 8, we have an 8 there, no 8 there, 8 should be here and the 6 goes there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row, so in the third row, only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6 and the 7 is missing, 7 and the 5. Look, we have a pair, 7 and a 5, 7 and a 5. So the other pair in the first row are the numbers 1, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 9. 2 and the 9 are missing, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 there, no 2 there, 2 should be here and a 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 here, so this box can't be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. This box should be a 1. One in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1 and 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers, 7 and a 5, 7 and 5 in the third row. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. 1 box left in this row, and we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. This box should be a 7. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the 7 are missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 7 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Wow. 3 stars? No, let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you later for the other 2 puzzles. Bye bye for now.